For as long as humans have looked to the stars, we've been filled with wonder and curiosity. We've also looked for a way to cheat death, to find the secret to eternal life. Myths, legends, and stories all whisper of eternal life, a secret knowledge hidden just out of reach, tantalizingly close, yet always elusive. Today, that search has a new champion: artificial intelligence, a field that promises to unlock the mysteries of life and death. It's no longer just a fantasy, but a realm where science fiction edges closer to reality, where dreams of immortality might soon be within our grasp. We're on the cusp of something remarkable, a potential future where humans and machines converge in ways never before imagined, creating a new paradigm of existence. But at what cost? This isn't about living forever in crumbling bodies, but about transcending the limits of our current forms, evolving into something more. Imagine a world where consciousness is transferable, downloadable like data, where our minds can exist beyond the physical realm. Imagine minds freed from the constraints of flesh and bone, existing in the digital ether, or perhaps even inhabiting new improved vessels designed to last forever. This is the promise, or perhaps the peril, that AI dangles before us, a double-edged sword of potential and risk. The question is, are we ready to grasp it? Are we prepared for the profound changes it will bring to our existence? We live in an age where machines are learning to think. Artificial intelligence, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is rapidly becoming part of our everyday lives. Algorithms curate our news feeds, self-driving cars navigate our streets, and virtual assistants answer our questions in an instant. This is only the beginning. AI systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of learning, adapting, and even exceeding human capabilities in certain areas. Deep learning algorithms are now capable of analyzing vast datasets, identifying patterns and making predictions with an accuracy that often surpasses human experts. This rapid progress in AI research is what fuels the fire of possibility when it comes to extending human lifespan, perhaps indefinitely. Imagine a world where AI could predict and prevent diseases before they even manifest. Imagine microscopic nanobots, guided by sophisticated algorithms, repairing cellular damage and reversing the aging process at its core. This is just one potential future where AI could fundamentally alter our understanding of life and death. Some futurists envision a future where we can upload our consciousness into digital realms, achieving a form of digital immortality. While this remains speculative, the underlying technology is developing